So I've set this pool cleaner from iGarden and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. This is a pretty high capability pool cleaner. You're going to see it cleans walls, does the floor, lots of advanced technology in this thing. Let's get it out of the box and see what you get. All right, here's everything you're going to get in the box. You get a nice quick start guide here, shows you the functions of the control panel buttons and what the displays are telling you, power on and such, app pairing for use of the app to control the device if you'd like, and how that works, deploying it and starting it up. You're going to get the power supply to charge the device. You're also going to get a hook. You can put this on your standard pool net or brush pole, and then it's going to be able to hook the device right here, lift it out of the pool, and you're going to get a detailed instruction manual here as well. Looking at the unit, you can see that you've got a handhold here to be able to pick it up and out of the water. You've also got a grip here. This, when you lift it up, you're going to open and remove the entire filtering assembly here. This has got a door on the front where you can drop off the debris and rinse it all out. So you're just going to take this, put this right in the sink, spray it out, take it with the hose, however you want to do it. But this is the entire filter assembly here. You can just grab it right off the top, clean that out. Sometimes sand will get around the outside of filters, and with this one, very easy to clean that, because I can just spray the hose in here and let that all flush out through the bottom. It's very simple design how this is set up. Very well thought out. You can see it's got these tracks on the side like a tank. Lock that in place. These are going to be able to rotate and slide up the walls as needed. It's got nice grip on it with these tracks. You've got an exhaust here. Water will pour out of here, out the back, as it's sucking water up underneath to filter and bring the debris into the unit. And then from here, you're going to see active movement of the water on top of the pool in the lower areas for sure, as it's pumping water through. You see that orange propeller in there? It's going to thrust a lot of water coming up there. Right here on the back is where your charging port is. You've got a very thick rubber cover on here. You're trying to keep this thing away from the elements as much as you can. It is tough in a pool with a lot of chemicals in the pools. You want to be able to keep these connection points here from getting corroded and such. And this rubber piece here is going to squeeze the water away from each of the connection points and try to seal that out. So you're probably going to want to use a little bit of O-ring silicone on here. Keep this nice and supple so that when you plug this in, you're keeping your plug dry. To turn on the device, you're just going to lift it up, turn this switch to the unlock position. You're going to see the control panel light up. You've got different controls that you can adjust by pushing this one on the right here. First LED is going to indicate that I have it set to focus on the floor only. And with that focused on floor, I can also set the AI mode, and I can also set the timers for the AI for it to cycle on multiple times during the week. So I could have, with about 2 3/4 hours of battery time, I could have it run till the device feels like the pool's clean and then stop, and then after a certain amount of time, maybe 24, 48, or 72 hours later, restart and clean again. I can also switch modes here to do the floor and then do the walls, and that'll do both of those, the waterline and the walls, or I can switch it just to do waterline and walls. Waterline and walls will disable the AI. AI works primarily with the floor setting. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the floor only. Right there, I'm going to turn on AI, and then we're ready to go. You're going to want to charge this up fully. I've only got 1/3 of the charge right now. You're going to press the power button one last time, and within 3 minutes, let's take this unit, throw it in the pool, and we'll see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and drop the cleaner right in the pool and let it start doing its thing. And now, what I've done here is sped up the video 10 times so you can get a idea for the type of movements that it does. It hits the wall, pivots around, changes direction, and it's remembering this map. And it's driving around, picking up debris along the way, but it's starting to map out the whole floor of this complex-shaped pool. And you can see that it's actually learning where the edges are and starting to make a perimeter map of it, and going back and forth, cleaning as it goes and learning where it is so it knows when it's got coverage across the whole pool and it's finished cleaning. Really, really interesting how it senses the walls and knows what to do. And then when it's completely done, it'll come to the side of the pool and park. All right, so we got out of the pool. Let's clean out this filter, see how it did. Now the pool was already pretty clean, so let's see what it got off the bottom. I'm not seeing much in there, which is great. It means the filter captured everything inside that container. And then I look inside the filter here, open this door, and yeah, you can see all that slime in there. Got all the leaves that I could find. Got a bunch of dog hair, people hair, and then even into the granular stuff at the bottom where it's this really fine silt and sand that gets into my pool. As it ages, I've been getting more and more sand in there. So yeah, these very fine filters doing an incredible job, because I mean, this looks like salt and pepper, very detailed, fine pieces that it's filtered out. And that was in a short runtime too, because I just tried to accelerate it so I could finish up the video for you. But yeah, overall, really impressed. Super easy to clean these out. And that's it. It's as clean as when we started. Really quick rinse on this one. I like it. Overall, this is a great unit. The AI capabilities really going to extend the ability for it to work on a multiple schedule plan, where you can, set it for, hey, run every 24 hours or 48. It's going to clean what it needs to do and then stop. It does that also where it stops right near the side of the pool, so you can pick it up and take it out easier as well. So, overall, I'm very impressed with this unit for pool cleaning from iGarden. I hope that helps. Have a great day.